going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Richie. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online and how to make money on Amazon. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question regarding this video or any previous video. So today, guys, I'm gonna answer one of the questions you guys has been requested. Okay, I cannot find a question, but I'll find a question and put it right here. He was asking after books what type of product I can sell. So to answer his question, you can sell almost anything on Amazon. As long as some item you're gonna need to get ungated for it, or you're gonna need a license for it. So but after that, you can sell pretty much anything on Amazon. So today I'm gonna use an extension. It's called Helium 10. Helium 10 allow you to link your Amazon account to Helium 10, and they all have black box. They have a lot of feature to help you find the best product to sell on Amazon. I'm gonna do like a demo to show you guys how I search for my product and how I know this product gonna do well on Amazon. If you wanted to buy this product directly from China and send it to Amazon, I'm gonna show you guys how I use Helium 10 for everything. So before I go further, I wanted to let you guys know, and you have to pay for it. It's a search engine, you have to pay for it. The price is $99, but I'll put a discount code below my discount. If you use Richie 50, you're gonna get 50% off on your first month. But if you use Richie 10, you're gonna get 10% on every month you're gonna pay on Helium 10. Let's get right into it. Helium 10, that's my account. So I'm gonna show you guys how to look for product. So basically, when you go on, you're gonna go on product research, and then you're gonna go on black box. So let's say I want to choose a category, and I was like, let's say I want to sell baby product, or I want to sell dog product. I can go under here and select any categories I want. So let's say I want to sell like baby products, let's say pet supply or toys. So you can check, you can put any category you guys would like to sell, but I choose this one just to show an example. And right here, it's gonna tell you how much revenue do you want to make every month. So let's say I want to make at least $25,000 every month, and this product price, let's say I want to sell this product for $25.99. The reason I say go for a product above $20 or $25.99, it's because you can make a good profit. But if you go for a lower product, don't forget, you're gonna buy this product from a supplier in China. They're gonna charge you for the product, they're gonna charge you for shipping. Then when they ship the product to Amazon, Amazon gonna charge you 15% on any product you sell. Let's views count, let's say 500 reviews, and rating between 3 to 5. And the shipping size, I don't know if you guys want to go for large size or smaller size. It's up to you. Let's go for a small. Gonna press search. So what that's gonna do, it's gonna give you like all the product that's selling on Amazon right now. There is 2 people selling this product, and this product is selling for $37, and this product is making basically every month, which is $79,585.12. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. This one tell you how many product was sold, and this one is the sell rank of the product. And this product has like 2,080 review, between 4 to 8. So if you go down here, it's gonna keep showing you what's the best product and how much they make a month. So you guys can go and take a look on everything and choose the product you want. So there is a lot of option here. You guys can go there and choose the best option that works for you. Let's say I wanted to see this product. There is 16 sellers sell this product. 686 product was sold in the last 90 days, and those sellers are making about $27,000 a month. and the sell rank is 9,000, and they have a 4.8 star reviews. So if I wanted to sell this product, I'll click right here, and this product it's gonna go directly to Amazon. You can see it's $38.99. It's selling on Amazon, and how many reviews. That's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. So it's basically gonna tell you everything right here. Alright guys, I was unable to find the same product, so we're gonna check this product. So basically you copy it and you go to Alibaba or any manufacturer like Indian manufacturer or China manufacturer. We can have the same product, and you look for it. I can go ahead and create my own listing. Here you can see that's the product, that's a different product, and how much is it. It's $11.99, and you have to talk to the seller and make sure about the shipping, and then discuss about the price. Sometimes you can see the price is $11.99, but when you talk to them, they'll be able to lower the price a little bit. Right here you can say the minimum pieces you can order, it's 100 pieces, but sometimes when you talk to them and tell them, oh, you just started or whatever, tell them something, and they was able to drop the quantity. If you guys cannot afford to buy 100 at the same time. And one thing about Alibaba, make sure the supplier has like 3 to 5 years as a manufacturer. There's like different one, you can check and choose the best one for you. Hey guys, before I close this video, I wanted to show you guys another feature about Helium 10. You can go there and learn anything you want to learn, and everything they basically have everything step by step. If you go and watch a YouTube video, you don't understand everything, go on the learning section. If you want to scale, if you want to make money, you have to invest in yourself. You have to invest so you can make more money. So you cannot go manufacture or in China and look for a product, any product. You have to look for a product in demand. You have to look for a product people are searching for. You cannot just go and find any product and you want to sell on Amazon. It's not like that. So make sure you guys use Helium 10 to find your product. So let me show you guys the future. I wanted to show you the learning section, Analystic, keyword research. Keyword research is basically gonna when you find your product, when you're listing your product, the keyword research gonna tell you what keyword people are searching for this product and what type of keyword you can put so you can find your product. And optimize this one here. When you create your listing, you can basically go on Amazon and find the same product people are selling and use almost the same description on your own word. And this section, it's right here, guys. I'm sorry, Freedom Ticket. So Freedom Ticket, Amazon seller training, click right here. They have like a bunch of training for you guys. If you go right here on view course, I started it, so you guys can see here. They basically gonna tell you everything and show how to sell on Amazon, how to find product, what's the best product to look for. They have everything. So make sure you guys sign up for Helium 10. Use my discount code below so you can save some money. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy everything and understand everything about Helium 10. If you don't understand my accent or you don't understand something, guys, make sure you sign up for Helium 10. And you're gonna go on ticket free and learn everything by yourself or step by step. They have it slowly. Maybe this video was a little bit too fast for you, but you're gonna understand everything step by step. So percent, like if I was you, I would choose the 10% every month, because every month they're gonna bill you $99, but if you have 10%, that's less money. So beside that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new today. I hope you're gonna scale and you're gonna find a good product to sell on Amazon, and that's gonna make you a lot of money. Make sure you subscribe, like this video so YouTube can know you like this type of content, so I can keep uploading for you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video.